Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Meg and I am a fully qualified yoga teacher, a beautician and masseuse. And this is my YouTube channel where I talk a lot about yoga and tips and tricks and things that you guys can follow along from home to strengthen your practice. Today I am going to be talking about something super exciting that has finally just happened and just come through, and I've just got my first copy, and on this holiday I have been filling it out and giving it a go just to double check that it is what I kind of hoped for when I made it. I have made my very first book and it is now available. Obviously you guys won't have this little not for resale thing across it because this is my proof copy, but yeah, I have officially made my gratitude journal and it is now available to buy on Amazon. So if you are someone who has been watching my videos for a little while, you'll know that every single morning I wake up and I answer the same 6 questions. I do a little bit of meditation, and I do sort of a similar thing in the evening as well. I also talked about that on my podcast as well, and I had so many people interested, like it, and think it was really interesting. So I decided I would turn it into a book, so you guys can buy this book and then you can actually follow along yourself. So you've got enough pages here to do about a month and a half's worth, but you don't have to necessarily do it every single day. So this is the front cover. On the inside you then have a bit about me and why I decided to make this gratitude journal and what kind of inspired me to bring it. And then you start off with your morning gratitude for every morning, and then you go across to your night gratitude. So you've got loads of space. I wanted to create a book where you guys, that's why it's such a big notebook, so that you guys can put loads of stuff down, because I normally answer each question with 3 answers. So for example, the first question in the morning is, what are you grateful for? And I always give 3 answers, and I've got enough room there. There's 3 lines, but you could always add in as well, because sometimes I'll do more if there's other things that I feel like I want to add to it. So yeah, and the same for the night journal. I basically wanted you to be able to look at how you approach your day and what you could do better to better improve yourself, to find gratitude, to improve your mental health. I honestly can safely say that these questions and me doing this every single day has boosted my mental health to no end. I honestly have noticed a huge difference ever since I've been practicing gratitude, and ever since I have been sort of waking up and doing this morning routine. So I wanted to make it available for you guys to be able to do the same thing as well. So I will link it below in the Amazon. I will link the Amazon link in the description for this video. But yes, if you are interested, you guys get your copy. I finally have my book ready to go and you can follow along my little gratitude journal. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to go and snorkel in this beautiful sea. I'm now currently staying in Lindos, and I will see you guys. I will practice with you guys again soon. Thanks. Bye.